Question 6. The total number of animals in Kjesea's farm is 26. There are X donkeys in the farm. The number of goats in the farm is twice the number of donkeys. The remaining animals are sheep. Which of the following represents the number of sheep in the farm? This is algebra at its best. The number of animals in Kjesea's farm, the total number, is 26. Donkeys are X. The number of goats are twice the number of donkeys. So X is an unknown number. Maybe it's 10, maybe it's 2, maybe it's 3. So the number of goats then will be 2 times this number. Should be 2x. Then sheep. Sheep should be, you add this, you subtract from 26, because 26 was all number of animals in that farm. So it should be 26 minus x plus 2x. This is 26 minus 3x. And that is your answer. Hi there, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? If you have not, chances are you are going to miss my next YouTube videos. So please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be among the first to see my video.